Today we're in the beautiful city of Opelousas, Louisiana, and we're about to experience the legendary Mama's Fried Chicken. Let's go. Tell us what your favorite meal is at Mama's Fried Chicken. Check out that iconic sign. When you see Mama's name, you know you're in for some delicious Southern comfort food. As soon as you step inside, you're greeted by the irresistible smell of Mama's famous fried chicken. Here's where the magic happens. Fresh, locally sourced ingredients and Mama's secret recipe that's been a local favorite for generations. And here we have it, folks. Perfectly golden, crispy on the outside, tender and juicy on the inside. This is what fried chicken dreams are made of. Wow, this is absolutely delicious. The flavors are incredible. So there you have it, folks. If you're ever in Appaloosas, Louisiana, be sure to stop by Mama's Fried Chicken. It's a culinary experience you won't want to miss. What is your favorite meal at Mama's Fried Chicken? What would you recommend someone to try? Until next time, don't forget to follow us to stay up to date with the best Louisiana content. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it. What is the nice place you would like us to check out?